Hey, Bird, it's Mom. I hope your thing went well tonight. Lost my ride home, and I was hoping you could come get me. Thanks.
How many more minutes?
5, and then it's bed.
I haven't brushed my teeth yet.
After you brush your teeth.
Last night you let me stay up until 10:45.
Tough. Good night.
Promise no land sharks?
I promise no land sharks.
Promise no witches?
I promise no witches.
Promise no squirrels?
I promise, Bird. Go to bed.
Will you sing?
1, quick. It has to be bedtime.
Okay.
Close your eyes. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away.
How's it look?
Like your mother's a genius.
Okay, keep in mind this genius will be seen by a lot of people.
Hey. Stay still.
Are you done?
1 second. Okay, go. You don't like it.
What happened to your genius?
Birdie, I think you look great.
It's not supposed to actually be stage makeup.
Birdie,
Huh?
can I come in?
Yeah. Do you have plans later? We should get dinner. Sure.
Happy birthday, dear Birdie Jean. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
This is not fair. Adult age is officially moved to 19.
Legally, of course. Of course. Thank you for the cake. It looks great.
Try it.
Yep.
Every time I look at you, I think of all the things you're gonna do. You're so much smarter than I was.
Me sticking my finger in this cake has stirred this in you. Are you ready to order?
Everything is like $1,000.
I'm paying.
Well, then I'm getting a side. So what's going on in there?
The future? I've been thinking about what you said on my birthday about what I'm going to do. And I think that that has to be my music. Yeah. Well, I've been thinking about this a lot, and it just doesn't make any sense to me to spend all this money on college when that's just not the only way to do this. So I think that after I graduate, I have to just go out and do it, just to prove to myself that I can.
After college.
Instead of college.
It doesn't make much sense, Bird. The plan has always been for you to go to college. Your grandma didn't get college, I didn't get college.
Yeah, but
You get college.
But just because I could doesn't necessarily mean that I should.
I've mourned not getting that experience my whole life.
Yeah, but I'm not you. Right? I made different decisions. So yes, now I have the option. But you're saying that I have to go because you couldn't. That doesn't make any sense.
It's all a bit childish, don't you think, Bird?
I've never had the opportunity to be childish because what would have happened if we both were?
It's childish because you're a child, Birdie.
And you are a hypocrite.
You know what? I'm not gonna have this conversation with you.
Yeah, you go. I'll pay for the frickin' food. You took the car. Really?
I'm asleep. You know, I will never forgive myself if I spend the rest of my life trying to please you by living for you. I've tried it. It sucks.
You're not so easy either. Grabbed everything?
Yeah,
Did you get the box off the...
got it. Thanks.
Okay.
You're gonna be fine.
Not gonna say the same about you.
I love you.
All right, little bird, I'm ready to record. Let's do a take whenever you're ready.
Fingernail marks on your wrist, a blood pact, and you insist we're getting closer by the hour. Ticket stubs and silly string, you told me you've kept everything. Mom adores her, Mom allows her. 'Cause I knew your secret and I knew to keep it. One finger on the pulse. 'Cause you're calling shotgun, I swear I don't